Hi, so if you're watching this video, we are going to go straight into how to get sales with YouTube ads and how to scale up your campaigns using YouTube ads. Now, if you're a beginner and you don't know yet how to start running traffic to your website, to your blog, or to your advertorial or lander using YouTube ads, then stay tuned until the end of this video. Even though this video might sound a little bit boring, but it's really important to understand the fundamental frameworks if you want to successfully run traffic using YouTube ads. So as you can see over here on my screen right now, this is just one of the examples that I want to share with you. For example, the profit here $3,500 and the ad spent $4,613. Now the average return on investment was 78% and the average order value was $122. So basically the clickbank product or the offer that you're promoting should be above $100. So in this way you can make sure that you can get at least more scalable results, more scalable campaigns, right, and higher profits. So what is the YouTube formula? YouTube formula is, of course, first write copy, second produce ads, and number 3 or step 3 create landing pages. So this is 3 steps that you need to utilize if you want to have success with YouTube ads. So what is the difference between Facebook and YouTube? It's intent. And what is intent? Intent is, for example, if you go right now on Facebook and you scroll to what is the intent, what did you do? Ask yourself, what was the intent behind going on Facebook and scrolling through your feed? It's distraction, right? It's just distraction. The intent was not to go there to buy something. It was just to connect. That's why it's called social media, right? To connect. So the difference between Facebook and YouTube is primarily with intent. YouTube is basically entertainment and education, right? If you go on YouTube and you check for tutorial or how to do something and how to make something, right, or just to watch funny videos, it's all about 2 things: education or entertainment, right? So based on those 2 things, you're going to get different responses. So if you're running Facebook ads or if you're running YouTube ads, you're going to get a different response, right? Because on YouTube primarily people are to get educated, right, to get education and to get entertained. And once they see your ad, for example on YouTube, once they see your ad, they click through it, they watch the video, and then they go over to the website, to your landing page, where they got sold on the offer, right? Pre-sold on the video and sold on the offer. So really important to understand. So what is marketing? Marketing is all about investment, right? Nothing is guaranteed. There's never 100% guarantee for anything. So you can only guarantee influence the outcome. We can influence the outcome, right? If you're doing it properly, if you know what you're doing in your ad copy, in your targeting, and in your lander, not sales page, but your let's say blog or advertorial site content, then you can influence the outcome and you can get higher chance of getting sales because you can influence the outcome with your ad copies, with your lenders, and with your targeting, right? So that way you can guarantee getting higher results, better sales. So you have to know your maths, right? You have to know the math, what you can afford, how much is your ad budget per day, how much you can spend, and you have to decide reduce costs or increase conversions. You want to reduce, you want to save on the money, or you want to increase sales, increase the conversion rate, right, as an affiliate. So over here you can see some of the results. For example, view rate here was 24.9% for this case, cost $4,200, and conversions 83. So conversion value was 7,367 and cost per conversion was $51. So value per conversion, as you can see, was 88, and then conversion value cost 1.72, and video play 2. Now with YouTube ads, right, 25%, 50%, and 75%. So basically all the data is here, right? Then you can do your math and you can measure the results when you know your outcome and you know your numbers. So if you're still watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. And before leaving, if you have any more questions and you want to know like how to properly set it up, how to do it yourself, how to get sales with ClickBank, how to utilize this framework properly in a way that you don't lose time and of course lose money, then reach out to me below. This video are going to be links, below this video are going to be links where we can connect personally one-on-one and you can get some of the support and help. Now the help is not cost free, I'm not doing it for free, so I'm upfront about it. So but if you want to have results and if you have to want to have done for you campaigns and scalable campaigns where you can basically go from zero to hero by generating results as an affiliate on ClickBank, then let me know below this video and smash that subscribe button before you leave. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.